When Samsung had no competition in the foldable phone market, it could justify using slightly above average cameras in devices priced around $2,000. However, with more competitors entering the market, a mid-tier camera on an extremely expensive device is no longer acceptable, and Samsung may have recognized this shift. Although well-known leaker Ice Universe previously claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 would have the same camera setup as the Fold 5, which includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide module, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, a 4-megapixel under-display camera, and a 10-megapixel cover camera. Another tipster has sparked hope that the upcoming foldable may feature improved cameras. Megapixels-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy S24 have the same rear cameras. However, if a new rumor is to be believed, the Fold 6 will upgrade at least one of its cameras. Tipster at Crow wrote on Twitter that the Fold 6 will feature a better camera array than the Galaxy S24, though they did not provide any specifics. Since at Crow_Row doesn't have much of a track record, it's best to take this leak with a grain of salt. Considering Samsung is rumored to announce the Fold 6 on July 10, it's highly unlikely that the camera specs would be changed this late in the production cycle. Even if this rumor doesn't pan out, the Fold 6 is still expected to offer several other enhancements. Reportedly, it will feature a wider cover display, a boxier design, titanium frames, and a thinner, lighter build. The phone will reportedly maintain the same battery and charging specs as the last 4 iterations, featuring a 4,400 mAh cell and 25-watt charging technology. With the rumored announcement date approaching, we can expect Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumors to intensify in the coming weeks. Also, according to details shared by tipster Ice Universe in a post on X, Samsung could be preparing to launch the successor to the handset in the coming months, featuring a wider display and sharper corners. The tipster leaked an image of 2 screen protectors, one for the Galaxy Fold 5 and the other for the purported Galaxy Z Fold 6. While the cover screen on the former measures 57.4mm wide, the screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 suggests that the outer screen will be slightly wider this year at 60.2mm. This indicates that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a wider aspect ratio compared to its predecessor. Another notable difference between the two foldable phones is the edges of the cover screens. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 features rounded corners, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is depicted with much sharper edges, reminiscent of the corners on the flagship Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Additionally, the screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 suggests that the phone's outer display will have thinner bezels at the top and bottom. The company might also be developing a more budget-friendly variant. While this variant isn't expected to launch in July alongside the Fold 6, rumors suggest it could still hit the market later this year. Unfortunately, there are reports circulating that Samsung has decided to cancel the release of this device. According to a recent report from the Alex, Samsung is currently reassessing its strategy regarding the more affordable version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The report cites several reasons behind this potential cancellation. Firstly, there's a concern about the lack of clear differentiation and uncertainty regarding whether the market would embrace a lower-cost alternative. Additionally, Samsung was reportedly dissatisfied with the device's thickness compared to competing Chinese models. Consequently, it's possible that Samsung may opt not to proceed with the development of a more affordable variant. The report also indicates that Samsung's focus is solely on releasing the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 later this year. While it doesn't explicitly mention the cancellation of the rumored affordable Z Flip, it suggests that such a device is unlikely to materialize. However, Samsung is still expected to introduce other fan edition devices later in the year, providing alternative options for consumers. So those interested can anticipate the launch of these alternatives. Another indication of the cancellation of the more affordable alternative to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes from a reputable tipster. This further solidifies the speculation surrounding the demise of the budget-friendly foldable phone from Samsung. When multiple reports and sources align on the same information, it's increasingly likely that the prospect of a more affordable foldable device from Samsung may indeed be off the table. With the unveiling of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 slated for July, we can expect a wealth of information to emerge in the coming weeks. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.